Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, the van guy. We got more vans for you today. Got a nice Winnebago Travato 59K. This is a non-lithium unit. Got a great inventory right now of our vans, both new and used. Starting in the bathroom, you got a nice medicine cabinet up above this sink area, and then your sink folds away, give you extra room. All your shower controls are here. The sliders go across for privacy, and it's got 3 nice drawers, of course all with locks, a big closet for hanging space, and of course the K model twin bed. I've been asked many times, Gary, do they go together? Well, yeah, they sort of do. You take the tabletop here and put some support rods in, and it will fill the space up about here, and you can use these to fill in the space. But if you have to get up in the middle of the night, that's kind of hard, so most people just leave them apart. Window dressings. I know you've seen them before, but in case you haven't, bug screen, privacy curtain, they slide up and down. Double pane windows, they tilt out for ventilation, all cased in very nice. Electrical outlet on the end of the sink. Power controls are over here, solar chargers up on top, Truma heating system, solar panel controller, and all your tank capacities, propane valve for on and off, holding tank heaters. All your water lines are inside, so you don't have to worry about the water inside, and you've got a heater to help take care of that. This is a little sensor to help operate everything, USB ports. Little swing down hold trays, which is kind of a nice little feature. Kitchen area, it's got a compressor refrigerator. What does that mean for you? Well, there's no propane on this. It operates with it not being quite so level. It's very much more efficient. Convection microwave. Got a little slide out here for the drivers turned around to use this to eat on. Recessed 2 burners, so when it's down you've got more counter space, and then a nice big sink area. Comes with a little kit for washing your dishes. Storage all the way down the line on both sides. We got storage up on top above the driver's area. Both seats turn around. Dodge Pro-Ram chassis, 6-cylinder front-wheel drive. It's got the best visibility, I think, of any van, and it has a 10-foot tighter turning radius than a Sprinter chassis. You can treat this just like your car. Park it downtown, take it wherever you want, because it will maneuver for you just like your car would. And the insurance is about half of what your car is. It's really silly when you call up and find out it's true. Right in front of me is the other table for the passenger. Turning around, just folds out real nice. Nice screen package that rolls down. Keep all the bugs out. Running board, fixed running board, real nice. I like it. They don't go in or out or anything. Electric awning, little light strip. All the Dodge Pro-Rams, you got to really close the doors, otherwise you won't be able to lock your unit up, which means you have to go around to every door to check them. Outside, you've got a little hookup for TV, power, cable. You got a bike rack on the back, which is a nice feature for carrying a couple bikes. It's got the ladder, which comes off the cradle, moves over to the side of the van so you can access the top. You want to clean your solar panel, you want to put a kayak rack, a canoe rack, a storage luggage pod. It's real easy to get over there and be able to service it and put things away, and you won't be in danger of climbing up there and falling off. It's got a hitch in the back. Towing capacity is about 2,000 pounds. Blackwater flush. The generator exhaust is right here. It runs off gasoline, which is off your main tank. It's designed to go down to about 1/4 and then it won't run anymore. So if your generator doesn't run, check your fuel gauge to make sure that you have enough for it to operate. You got a dump valve right down here. Exhaust for your Truma. for your heating system, tank fill, city fill. Place for your sewer hose to go right here. Shore hookup, cable, and then your gasoline fills right here. Now these mirrors, I was talking about a little bit before, both of these mirrors are controlled with a switch inside that operates all 4 mirrors, left and right. And then you push another button and the mirrors fold in. So if you get in a tight area, just hit the switch and you don't have to worry about somebody dinging your mirror. I know there's a lot of information I went over really quickly. If you have a question, just call me direct, 541, write it down, 541-554-9581, or use my email, or see the van guy on Facebook. Thank you.